So here's the shape, which was I think it was cosine t was the x coordinate, sine of 2t was the y coordinate, and cosine of 5t was the z coordinate, something like that. But the specifics of it don't really matter that much. Why don't you pick up this shape and kind of rotate it around? Tell me some things that you see or notice about it.
Well, when I hold it kind of like that, it looks very symmetrical.
Okay.
And I'm just seeing, if I hold it like that, that's cool.
A little bit, okay.
It sort of looks like this curly Q shape that it isn't actually.
Alright.
Oh, it's kind of like the hypercube when all the lines lined up. You saw the cool shape.
Alright, so why don't you try to make some shadows with this shape. Tell me what you see in those shadows.
This one, it's sort of like a matrix sort of view.
Ooh, a matrix? What do you mean by a matrix?
Well, there's a bunch of almost squares. I'm not sure if you could make them squares.
Okay. And you can move the shape too if you want, and you could even pick it up and cast the shadows from far away.
If you...
So that's kind of the spiral shape that I saw.
Yeah, what does that remind you of?
Sort of like a spring.
You put it up like this, you get sort of the same grid sort of shape. If you put it upside down, you get, if you line it up right, you get this. Sort of, it's...
How would you describe that shape?
Well, it has sort of like 3 regions. And the bottom one is sort of a triangle. The second one's like an oval. And the third one's a smaller oval.
Okay.
Like this.
So what do you think about this shape?
It's a very, very neat shape.
Here, I'll take this away. You can move it around and make some neat shapes for the camera.
Let's see if I could.
Yeah, come around here so that you can see what it looks like in the camera.
I'm not sure if I can make that shape that I made. There's that shape.
Kind of move,
So
it,
this
move it
is-
up a little. Just there. You can put it there.
So this is the shape. This is the shadow shape that I found.
Nice.
Well, actually, no. I'm looking at it. It sort of looks like an hourglass, sort of.
Oh, cool. Yeah, you're right.
Like the 2 tops are triangles, and then there's this thing in the center. It's pretty cool.
All right. So what I want you to do, and I'll have you do it with the camera off, and you can go one at a time. Although you can work together too if you want. It's just play around with the sines and cosines and the coefficients on the inside, or you can change them on the outside too. And see if you make a shape that you think is interesting.
All right.
Okay.